Gelato season has begun across Friuli Venezia Giulia, but the prices change. Just 10 years ago, one scoop cost €1. Today it can reach €2.50. Do you think €2.50 for a scoop of gelato is still worth it?
I think it's too expensive. I think 5 years ago it was €1 or maximum 1 and 10, but now it's very, very expensive, I think.
I mean, gelato's sort of always worth it, especially when the temperatures climb. But it is definitely uncomfortable, I would say.
Comfortable being in Trieste for so long and seeing one scoop for €1 and then one scoop for 250, it's a big difference. It's worth it, but it's too much.
It depends which ice cream shop. So we raised 4% more or less, okay, from 250 to 260. And the reason is there are many reasons. One, the inflation, okay, that it's in Italy. It's more or less the 4%, 3.5%, and so we have to consider that. Then the rise of the raw materials, for example, pistachio raised 20%. Milk and the sugars also. Today I bought sugars, and the raise is 15%. So we raised less than the average of all the rising prices. We don't want to sell an ice cream, but good moments.